let's look at a running finish, which is very popular quick-step figure. Man starts with left foot, back in CBMP, to side, forward with left side lead. Lady starts with right foot, forward outside partner, to side and back with right side lead. Let's look at alignments. Man starts backing line of dance, then pointing diagonally to center and then facing diagonally to center. So he turns 3/8 of the turn. Lady starts facing line of dance, then backing to center and backing diagonally to center. Also, lady turns 3/8 of the turn. And now footwork. Lady starts with heel toe, toe, and third step is toe heel, and she lowers. Let's look again. Lady starts with right foot, heel toe, toe, and toe heel. Man steps. Man starts with left foot, toe, then toe, and last step, toe heel. Let's look again. This is unusual. First step is on toe. Usually is toe heel, but this time on toe. Second step also toe, and last step is toe heel. And now let's look at routine, natural turn, back lock, running finish and forward lock. Man starts with right foot, forward to side, close. This was 3 steps of natural turn, then back lock, back, back, cross in front, back and slightly to side. Now running finish with left foot back in CBMP, to side, forward with left side lead, and forward lock step, forward outside partner, forward cross behind, forward and slightly to side. Lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close. These are 3 steps of natural turn. Now backward lock step, forward, forward, cross behind, forward and slightly to side. Now running finish with right foot forward outside partner, then to side, then back with right side lead, and now forward lock step, back in CBMP, back, cross in front and back and slightly to side. And now let's look at routine in slow motion. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now routine to music. Another short routine, natural turn with hesitation, progressive chasse to right and running finish. Man starts with right foot, forward to side, close, back, heel pull to side, close without weight. Now with left foot, forward, side, close, side and slightly back. Running finish, back in CBMP to side and forward with left side lead. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close, then with right foot forward to side, close without weight. Now with right foot back, side, close, side and slightly forward. And now running finish with right foot forward outside partner to side and back with right side lead. And now routine in slow motion. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And now routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.